Imagine a world where the very air you breathe is your enemy, where the weather can literally rip you apart. This isn't a place of fire or ice. No, it's far more dangerous. Here, the wind itself is a weapon, carrying hidden blades that sing with a devilish sound. And the storms here, they are so terrifying that even Earth's biggest storms are nothing compared to them. A Category 5 hurricane, which brings destruction to us, would be like a gentle breeze, a whisper in this place. These aren't just strong winds, these are forces that can destroy civilizations, capable of carving mountains over millions of years and wiping out entire continents. Can you believe there is such a place in the universe that exists? Watch this video till the end to know about it. And the rain? It's not the life-giving water we know, nor is it gently falling snow. It's not even like acid rain, which at least has a recognizable form. No, this rain is made of something else entirely, a blast that burns and dissolves, stripping away skin and metal with unimaginable efficiency. Each drop is a small attack, a silent weapon in a constant bombardment from the sky. To be caught in such a storm means facing an assault that will tear apart, atom by atom, any living thing foolish enough to be caught unprotected. This is a world where survival is just a dream, and nature itself is the ultimate hunter. We curse heavy rains, but thankfully we don't have to face this kind of situation on Earth. Hey everyone, welcome back to Universe for Curious. Today we're exploring one of the strangest alien worlds ever discovered. A planet where molten glass rains sideways at over 8,000 kilometers per hour. Wow! Can you imagine if a pieces of glass fly at you at that speed of 8,000 kilometers per hour? Just imagining gives me goosebumps. The planet is called HD 89733b. It's a gas giant about 64 light-years away, orbiting so close to its star that its atmosphere is literally baked. The skies there are blue, not because of oceans like Earth, but because of silicate particles in the air. Those tiny glass-like grains scatter light and give the planet a sapphire glow. Beautiful? Sure, but deadly to say the least. And here's the kicker. Those silicate particles don't just float around. They condense into glassy droplets. Then hurricane-force wind are moving 20 times faster than sound, whip them across the planet. Imagine millions of shards of glass flying sideways at 8,000 kilometers per hour. That's what passes for a gentle rain shower out there. Think about walking outside with an umbrella here on Earth. Now imagine doing that on this planet. Forget broken umbrellas. You'd be sliced to ribbons in seconds. It's weather designed not for life, but for destruction. And here's something wild most people don't realize. HD 89733b isn't unique. Astronomers are starting to find dozens of extreme exoplanets with even stranger weather. Worlds with molten iron rain, diamond hail, or clouds made of corundum, the same mineral as sapphires and rubies. In other words, the universe doesn't just build planets, it builds nightmares. So why should we care about a planet that would shred us instantly? Because studying places like this helps us understand how atmospheres work, even our own. And it proves that the universe is far stranger and far more creative than anything we could imagine. If you love diving into these bizarre cosmic stories, hit that like button, subscribe to Universe for Curious, and share this with someone who thinks Earth's weather is bad. They might change their mind after this. So here's the takeaway. Somewhere out there, rain doesn't just fall. It cuts. The next time you complain about a rainy day on Earth, ask yourself this. Would you rather take an umbrella here or dodge glass storms on a sapphire blue alien world?